Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by inspecting the extension attachment and the braid itself, because knowing the failure point saves time. Comb gently through the braid ends to reveal knots and apply a little detangler or oil to loosen fibers. Once done, separate the extension base from native hair if possible to relieve tension and secure the rest with a clip. Make sure to work on a small section so you can rebraid cleanly without creating more tangles. You now undo the messy braid with intention. Picket knots from the ends inward, keeping extension wefts intact to avoid slipping. Once loose, trim minimal frayed tips and reinforce the extension base where threads weakened by a small stitch or tape patch so it holds. Then redivide strands evenly and rebraid with steady, moderate tension. This prevents lumps and keeps the extension and your hair blending. As you move, reposition the clip for support and keep checking symmetry. You finish by anchoring the braid securely. Add a small elastic close to the extension base, then tuck or wrap a thin strand around to conceal the join, pin discreetly. Next, smooth the surface with a touch of lightweight oil to tame flyaways and create a polished look. If the braid still slips or puckers, loosen it slightly and retension while checking the clip or sewn seam. Replace the clip or restitch if the base is compromised. That adjustment usually solves persistent issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.